This is a tutorial and walkthrough of the simple objective and key result tracker with status in the Coda doc gallery. It's a super simple template for tracking OKRs. If I scroll down here, you're going to see a few objectives, and you'll notice that these objectives also show up in the key results table down below. So if I look at drive increased customer satisfaction up here, you're going to see it down here as well. And these are all the key results tied to that specific objective. And if I add a new one here by pressing enter, let's say get new customers, I can say the owner is customer success, and this is for Q2 2020. And as I change the slider bar here, you'll also see the overall status of that objective change because these three rows are tied to this overall percentage status. If I want to add a new objective to my doc, I can just click on here and add a new row. And let's say my new objective is build new website. You notice that there's nothing here that shows up in the overall status because I don't have any key results tied to it yet. So if I start adding a new result, get designs done. Let's say this is the engineering team, and this will be done for Q3 2020, and this is at 50%. You'll notice that this number starts showing up as 50%, and the more OKRs, the more key results I add, the higher or lower this number will get depending on what your completion is with that specific key result. Finally, you can choose a quarter up here to only limit it to show certain key results for a given quarter. So if I only want to see key results for Q2, this will filter that table to only show the results that matter for that specific quarter, or we can just show all the quarters in one table. We launched a brand new Coda gallery today. Today is April 22nd. And if you go to coda.io/gallery, you will see a brand new doc gallery with over 300 templates for project management, customer relationship management, and also a lot of personal use cases by clicking here and looking at the different categories that show up for that specific category. Hopefully you found this tutorial interesting and you can use this for your future OKR settings.